Everyone, this is second video of my Ugnx basic series. Today we will learn Extrude command in detail. So let's start. Just open your Ugnx software. After that you will get this window. Just go to new, create one sample part. Just put a name. Just I am putting sample02. Then give the location where you have to save that part and hit OK. Before hitting OK, check your you have selected model and unit as a millimeters. Then you will found one datum coordinate system. I will suggest you to add datum planes. Just select ZX section, apply, ZY section, apply, and YX sections. You will have 3 planes. Then go to the sketch command, which is below the file name, and it already select one plane. You can select other plane also. Just click on it and hit OK. Near the sketch section, all the sketch commands are present. In the curve, this such as profile, rectangle, line. I am selecting profile. If you have to draw continuous lines, then always select profile. If you have to draw only single line, then go to the line command only. In the profile, you can create arc also. I am going to add one circle. My sketch is completed. Just finish the sketch. Then select extrude command. Whenever you select extrude command, it is divided into multiple parts. Let me show you one by one. Such as select curve. It is telling you to select a curve. Very near to the command, there is a filter is there. If you have to select a single curve, just click on single curve. Here there is connected curves also. If I click on single curve and select this curve, it only one curve gets selected. And a very extrude near the extrude name, there is a reset button is there. If I have to use it again, I will put in on reset. Right now I will select connected curve and click on the curve. The number of curves connected to that curve will also get selected with that. So right now I am just extruding it. You can select the direction also. In the specify vector, here number of options are there, such as inferred from 2 points, xc, yc, zc are there. As per your requirement, you can select that. After that, put the values how much you have to extrude. The boolean operation is also there. In the second extrude, we will go to that and hit OK. Hence you have one extrude body is there. This is, I already explained that this is the model tree. Whatever the operations you do, this get recorded in the model tree, in the part navigator. Yes, so I am going to extrude that circle. So I am going to extrude command again. After that, in the select curve section, I will select curve, the circle. Then in the boolean operation, I will put subtract as an option. Here only one body was present, so it automatically selected that body. But if there are multiple bodies, then you have to manually select from which body you have to subtract. Then click on OK. You can clearly see there is a hole in the extruded body. Thanks. Stay connected to me for upcoming videos.